Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. Before anything else, I just want to let you know that I am not a professional makeup artist. This is just how I do my eyebrows. I do hope that this video can help you. And now let's proceed to the tutorial. So the first thing that I do is I apply this product. This product is from Nichido. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's around 80 to 100 pesos. It's a liquid wax or something. I just try to apply it on my eyebrows. So you just spread it while shaping your eyebrows as well. Yes, that's how I do it. Yep. So I just leave it for a few seconds and then pat it. Yeah, like that. So it will dry up fast. Afterwards, I use this product. This is Detail Makeover. This is a set. The original price for this one is 700 pesos, but I got this for 300 pesos only. So shout out to Irish for convincing me to buy this product. Yeah, I was hesitant to buy this because, you know, tihik. Yeah, thankfully, she was there to convince me to buy this bundle. Sulit jud siya, guys. Anyway, so this is what's inside the box. So we have this two eyebrow and eyeliner gel. So we have the dark one and the light brown. I also have this eyebrow mascara, this eyebrow pencils, dark brown and light brown, and this one. I think I also got this. Okay, I will be using the eyebrow pencil and the shade, let's see, I think, yeah, I will be using the shade brown. So this is it. Anyway, it's clear. Oh yeah, that one. It has two ends. We have this like small pencil and the angled one. But in shaping my eyebrows, I use this because it's easier for me. Let's do it. Isuda, oy. Hala, naklaro kong wrinkles. Anyway, I'm old. It's normal to have wrinkles on my eyes and in my face. That's why I use concealer and foundation, guys. First thing that I do is I shape my eyebrows because they are not even at all. As you can see, diba, lahi dyan siya. Dali siya. Sige, pag-suso-an eh. Pag-suso na ako. Shape your eyebrows. And this one. I will be using my mirror, so it will be easier for me to see if there's something's missing, you know. Yep. I also shape my eyebrows, the inner brows, but kanang hinay lang para dili baga. And then next is this part. I try to even it with the other eyebrow. So I'm not the type of person who does this first, even both of my eyebrows, you know, shape both of them first before filling it up. Filling it up. O, diba? Medyo nilapas na siya. So, like that. Like that. Gamay lang. So, feel ako nilapas. Gamay lang jud. Yeah. So, diba? I already shaped my eyebrows. Next is filling it with the angled part. Sa itong angled nga eyebrow lang dyan. So I use this, the other end of the eyebrow pencil, and just fill up the tail of my eyebrows like this. Naghagok sa akong background. Pero na siya, guys. What's important is the content, you know. I fill it up, and the other one as well. So just the tail of your eyebrows, okay? Almost done. So as you can see, I didn't put anything on this part, the inner part of my eyebrows, because of course dapat light lang ang atong ibutang diha. So the next thing that I do is I take out my spoolie. Actually, this is an eyebrow mascara from Etude, I'm not sure. Hindi ko sure sa pronunciation sa mga brands, you know. Basta mapalit rin ko. Anyway, this has been with me for how many years already. Wala na ni siya sulod. It's empty. I just use the spoolie because I love it. It's easy to spread the product on your eyebrows. So you just try to brush and spread the product on your eyebrow, especially on your eyebrow tail. Ito bang eyebrow tail? Anyway, just do the same thing on the other part of your eyebrow. So still, I didn't put too much in this part because I just spread it first. The next thing that I do is I take out the other eyebrow mascara. So I'm using this eyebrow mascara from Delight in the shade light brown. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, a lot of product is in this spoolie, and I don't like using a lot of product. So I'll be using the same spoolie. Just take a little amount in this gel mascara, eyebrow mascara, and just spread it on my eyebrows. You can be butang eye, but I like it anyway. This time I'll be using this again and just use the remaining product on the inner part of your eyebrows. Just shade it. You just spread it like that. So diba mas soft ang iyang look. After doing your eyebrow, you do it on the other eyebrows as well. So just take a little amount of the eyebrow mascara and just spread it. Diba? So we're done. So if there are products that goes beyond the line, I only use my hand. I don't use concealer. I'm not fond of using concealer on my eyebrows. I just use my hand and just erase those mga sobra-sobra like that. Inana na siya. Saba kay guys. I'm so sorry. To be honest, I won't be buying this product if it wasn't for sale. So instead of using this, I tried to use the Careline eyebrow mascara. I think it cost 100 pesos. I think 100 pesos plus. So it's a bit cheaper than this one. And for the eyebrow pencil, you can just buy whatever's available. Pwede ra sa Unitop ka lang sa mga Broadway, mga tag 9 pesos, tag 20 pesos, or whatever. As long as it's easy to apply. I think that's what's important. Use a shade that's kana mo bagay po sa imong hair. So like mine, nagpa-color ko hair. So I had to use the lighter brown because my hair color is a bit of paano siya ng brownish. Finally done with my eyebrows, and this is how it looks like. You can try to use concealer on your eyebrows if you want to shape it more, but I don't use it unless it's for my eye bags. You know, I have a job, my schedule is from 1 a.m. to 6. If I want to look fresh, even though I'm not fresh, I have to use a concealer. It's a must for me. Anyway, these are the final products that I use. This is the eyebrow pencil, the eyebrow mascara, and then this one is optional. This is from Nishido, again, Nishido, the like liquid box for your eyebrows. So don't forget your eyebrow brush or the spoolie. You can use an old mascara, so you can easily spread the product on your eyebrows. So yeah, I think that's all. So we're finally done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you want me to do another tutorial, just let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to click the thumbs up and the subscribe button. And I'll see you again soon in our next videos. Bye!